I'm gonna show I'm gonna show you the inside the main cottage. As I say, we built it in 1995. We hired someone to do the shell. David did the siding, me and David. So we're gonna go in now, inside. This is our little deck. This is facing north. And that's our dog. Okay. We also hired someone to do the inside, and we did the painting. David did the flooring. All those flooring, hardwood, ceramic. This is the dining room, and this is the living room. These are all made of white pine, and there's the patio door, and this is our little kitchen. There's the view from the dining room again. Now we're gonna go to the bedroom. It's our master bedroom. As I said, we did all the painting, and all the flooring were done by David. This is the view from the master bedroom. This is a bathroom. Our bathroom is not yet done. We only have the shower and the vanity. We're hiring somebody to do the septic field so we can have a indoor toilet. It also is ceramic tile. David also did this. And now this is the second bedroom. So right now it's empty. There's nobody using it. And this is the view from the second bedroom. This is about 1,100 square foot, 2 bedroom, and this is the hallway to go outside. That's it. Sunken living room, and also all hardwood. The 2 bedroom is laminate. The dining room and living room are all hardwood, and the entrance is hallway ceramic, which we did ourselves.